guys, welcome back to my vlog. And today I am cooking ubi champorado. Now this is the glutinous rice, 1 cup. Thanks for buying the glutinous rice. We're going to put our purple yam powder. Look at yummy.
Champorado!
Champorado! Look at this. I bought this powder purple yam ubi, $9 from our local Asian shop. Creamy evaporated milk. That's done. Now we are going to put the 1 cup of coconut milk. Oh, I have an assistant here today.
Take stir up.
Stirring. Alright. Put sugar, brown sugar. Yeah, 1. That's it. Alright, that's our Carnation creamy evaporated milk. And let's try this ubi champorado. Okay.
That one for now.
Okay, that one.
Okay, mix them up. Looks so good.
Oh.
For me, it's okay. I don't really like very sweet. But
So cookies and cream, and
with
choc chip
chocolate,
ice
choc chip.
cream under
Well,
the ubi champorado.
yeah.
Wow.
Oh, no, he's got more chocolate. What's happened there?
It's very hard.
Favoritism.
Yeah, that's right.
To get G's Muslim workers working hard.
I like it pudding chip.
Yeah, what's this?
Rice pudding. With olive flavor. Very yummy.
No, he put rice in it.
It is a rice, glutinous rice. This is called champorado.
Ubi champorado. Oh. Do you like it?
I don't like how he got more chocolate ice cream than I did.
Huh?
You can dig.
Yeah, you can dig.
I can't
Well,
dig
you
more.
have that one, and I'll just get my own chocolate.
Be careful because
Who's gonna have that?
That's your chip.
Yeah, you have that or something.
You want some more?
Yeah.
I'd like a bumbo would fix the front problem, or a tray would fix the back problem.
Yeah. I was watching that on YouTube short film there that the track that Casey designed.
Thank our guests for bringing us nice flowers. And this giant Easter egg chew.